Nana the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Nana, you know the vibe, we see you looking. You should smell the aroma in the kitchen when she cooking. She the real deal when she make a home cooked meal. She's Nana the Saucy Chef, she got skills. Nana the Saucy Chef, she got skills.
Nana the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Y'all hungry yet?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana the Saucy Chef. Today I'm going to be making Hocus Pocus cookies. The ingredients that we're going to need today are 1 box of white cake mix, white chocolate chips. We're going to need some Halloween sprinkles, 2 eggs. I have food coloring gel. We're going to need purple, green, and orange. 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 1/2 cup of vegetable oil. To a large bowl, I added my cake mix and my teaspoon of baking powder. So all I'm going to do now is give it a good mix so the baking powder can go throughout the cake mix. Next, I'm going to add in my 2 eggs, my 1/2 cup of vegetable oil, and also the teaspoon of vanilla extract. We're going to be using a hand mixer, and we're going to go ahead and blend our cake mix. Now you want to take your batter and divide it evenly into 3 bowls. Once you have your batter divided, we're going to go ahead and take our food coloring and we're going to add a few drops into each. Okay guys, so this is what your cookie dough should look like. And you can use as much food coloring as you need to get the desired color. Now you can set your oven to 350 degrees and you want to line a baking sheet with parchment paper. Now I'm going to take about a tablespoon of my cookie dough and place it onto my baking sheet. Okay, so I started off with our orange cookie dough. So now I'm going to get some of our white chocolate chips, and I'm just going to place about 4 of them on top, 4 or 5. Okay guys, now we're going to take some of our Halloween sprinkles and just sprinkle them over top. Now we're going to place them into our 350 degree oven for 10 to 12 minutes. Okay guys, our next batch is ready and ready to go into the oven. Okay, our first batch of cookies are out the oven. I'm going to let them cool down before I remove them and place them onto a wire rack. Okay guys, our second batch is done. I'm going to let them cool off and then place them also onto a wire rack. Okay, now I'm going to let these cool off all the way. Okay guys, so here we have it, our Hocus Pocus cookies. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back, please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef. Y'all hungry yet?
Thank you for following me.
Y'all hungry yet?